We just received some fantastic feedback with a glowing 5-star review. And now comes the fun part, sharing it with you. We're happy to say this is just one of many. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. Let us help you with our excellent service backed by our years of experience. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're happy to help you anytime.